So it's Monday. Happy Monday. I am just getting my things together to go run some errands. I have to get my nails done. These are all lifting and kind of sick of the orange, to be honest. Okay, I forgot my purse. So I have a lot of stuff to do today. I woke up late. That's always fun. And we're gonna go to the mall because I have girls' weekend this weekend with my mom and her friends. And it's Hawaiian themed. They do a theme every year. I'm gonna vlog that whole experience because that's a whole nother thing you guys are gonna wanna see. But I have to go get some Hawaiian themed stuff. So that's it. So guys, I just got my nails done. I got this pink color, very Hawaiian-ish, I thought. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm on my way to the mall right now. I'm praying that they have my bag in stock. I've been calling for the past 2 days and for some reason they don't answer their phones at all. So, but I have to go to the mall anyways, like I said, to see if they have like some Hawaiian-ish or like floral print or something for the girls' weekend. But I'm praying that they have my bag in stock. But I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, I'm totally gonna get judged because I'm wearing like my workout stuff and I have no makeup on. I look like a hot mess. And I don't know if you guys know this, but at least at my Louis Vuitton, you get judged really hard. And usually they won't even like help you. If you're just looking for something, but I'm actually gonna buy something. But if you don't like look the part in Louis Vuitton, I feel like they just hardcore judge you because they don't think that you're gonna buy something. So like, I don't know, they're probably gonna be rude to me, but we'll see. Well guys, she is secured. The line, I'm out of breath. It is so hot in that mall and it's not even an outdoor mall. But update, the lady that helped me, I have her card but I forget her name, was super nice, and they were all really nice actually. So I take that back about people being rude even when you look like this. But yeah, so I got the bag. Stay tuned to see the unboxing. But I'm so excited. I waited an hour in the line because they're having like capacity or certain capacity inside of all the luxury stores. So I waited an hour, but it was worth it, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So I am home now. Changed my outfit, showered and stuff because you saw what it looked like before earlier in the vlog. It was a mess, but got my nails done. Like I said, showered, so I look probably like a normal functioning human now. But I can't wait to show you guys the bag. Sorry, someone keeps walking outside my window and I'm like, they probably think I'm talking to myself and it looks really weird, but anyways, who cares? So I'm going to show you the bag that I got. I bought this bag myself, just like I buy all of my luxury items myself. So yeah, I've had this I've had my eye on this particular bag for probably like 6 months now. I just anticipated buying it and I kept putting it off just because I don't know like if things are gonna shut down again or what's gonna happen with like my job, and I don't know, it's just like a scary time right now, so I didn't want to make a huge purchase until I was like completely okay with my bills and just making sure that it was the right time to purchase this bag. But I've been working really hard and a lot, and I figured that it was time to treat myself, so why not? I mean, anything can happen, so why not just make yourself happy, especially during these times. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna show you guys the bag. This is the bag it came in, obviously, and they gave me this receipt. And oh, her name was Alexis. So if you guys are in the Metro Detroit area, I went to Somerset Mall and her name is Alexis, and she was super sweet, super friendly. It didn't make you feel intimidated at all, and I would definitely go to her next time I want to make a purchase. So without further ado, let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. I literally haven't opened it yet since I bought it. I've had it for like about 4 hours now, and I haven't even been able to look at it because I wanted to do it with you guys. So obviously it comes in this little dust bag. And as soon as I walked in, I literally didn't even look at anything else. They were like, what do you want? And I was like, this is the bag I want. Do you have it in stock? They did. They had 2 left, which I'm so excited because I thought that they were going to be completely out because online it says item not available, and that scared the crap out of me because when I originally wanted the Pochette Matisse, spoiler, that's not what this bag is, I did want that forever, but it's so hard to get your hands on, like the actual like printed monogrammed one, like the brown, or the all the brown, not like the black one, not the pink one. That one's just really, really hard to find. But anyways, I'm talking too much. This is the bag. I am obsessed. So this is the Palm Springs Mini, and it's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with the size. I love how it's just so freaking adorable and cute. It's got this little pocket in the front right here. It's got this little pocket for like your key, or if you want to keep like your lip gloss in there. And then it's got this main zipper right here. And then it has these straps. So you can literally wear it so many different ways, which is what I love. You can wear it as like a normal backpack. You can wear it like a satchel kind of. You can wear it as like hold it by the handle. Like you can do so many different things. You can crisscross the straps. So I'm just gonna put it on normal just to show you guys right now. So I literally think this bag is adorable. I think it's perfectly casual for like during the day, but then you can also dress it up at night, which is what I love because I feel like I would just get so much use out of this. So like this. Oh crap, did I do this wrong? No, okay. So like, it's just freaking adorable. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I love it so much. So this bag actually came to $2,100 after tax and everything. I think the original price is $1,900, so it's a little pricier. It's actually the priciest bag that I've bought so far thus far. One day I'll get a Chanel, but like, girl, that's not in the budget yet. But I think this is so cute. It's perfect for fall, perfect for summer, and I love the detailing on it. I got just like the basic LV print. I forget what it's called, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so happy with my purchase. I don't regret it at all. And yeah, I will leave a link down below for you guys, so if you guys want to purchase the same bag, it will easily be there for you, so you can just click the link and purchase it. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of vlog style unboxing video. Give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot to know what kind of videos you guys enjoy and what to create for you guys for content. And I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.